Today I'm going to be reviewing this VX Scan brake fluid tester. Got this on Amazon for about $8, and on my Jeep the brake fluid looks like it's pretty bad. So I got this. Let's do a little unboxing here, put it together, and take a look at the brake fluid, and then we'll test the brake fluid to see if I need to go ahead and replace it as soon as possible. It's I don't know, feels a little cheap, but if it does its job, then we should be okay. I don't know if that's in there or not. So when you put the battery in, this compartment feels like that battery cover seems to be pretty thin. Okay, so it's got some instructions right there, as well as on the back of the packaging. To check fluid quality, press the button for power on. Green LED will light up. Insert the tester into reservoir for 1 second. Then the test result will be correctly indicated by LEDs. Okay, and then it powers off after 15 seconds of inactivity. All right, so it shows 0. It gives the 0% of water in the fluid. This would be okay from less than 1% to 2%, and recommended change to, from 3 to greater than 4% of water. So let's see how this thing works. Looking at the brake fluid reservoir, if you look down in there, that doesn't look good. It should be a clearish type of color. So let's go ahead and got the green light on, dip it down in there. Wow, look at that. It's showing at 3%, and I definitely need to change this out. So this confirmed it. By comparison, my wife's 2011 Lexus RX 350 has new brake fluid. It's showing that there is 0% water, which is fantastic. Because this is not a tool that we're going to be using every day, it's a good idea to go ahead and take the battery out. So if you are looking at getting something like this, keep the original packaging. That way it's easy to find and keep your battery, as opposed to it running out because it's been put in there the whole time. It confirmed what I thought. I definitely need to do the brake fluid change. Well, there you have it. The brake fluid tester that I bought is like so many of the other ones that you can find on Amazon and other places, and they're relatively cheap, about $10 or less. And there's a lot of other videos on YouTube that shows how accurate they can be, and I don't imagine that the one that I have is any different than those that are out there. Only thing is that you just want to make sure, like any sensitive piece of electronic equipment or tool, you do want to take care of it. So the prongs, the probes at the bottom, you want to make sure that you clean it off with alcohol after every use, so you're not contaminating brake fluid from one reservoir to another or to the new bottle. So anyway, just wanted to leave that with you. Thanks for watching my video, and until I do that brake fluid exchange on my Jeep, at least, you have a terrific rest of your day.